upon a time in a small village there lived a boy named Rohan. Rohan was known for his laziness and lack of ambition. He had a habit of wasting time and procrastinating on important tasks. Despite the constant advice from his family and friends to value time, Rohan didn't seem to understand its importance. One sunny day, a wise old man named Mr. Gupta arrived in the village. He was known for his wisdom and ability to solve people's problems. Word quickly spread, and soon Rohan heard about the arrival of Mr. Gupta. Curiosity piqued, he decided to seek the old man's guidance. Rohan approached Mr. Gupta, who was sitting under a large banyan tree. With a respectful bow, he asked, "Sir, I've been told that you possess great wisdom. Can you please guide me on how to make the most of my life?" Mr. Gupta smiled and nodded, understanding the young man's struggle. He took out an hourglass from his bag and handed it to Rohan. "This hourglass symbolizes time," he said. "Each grain of sand represents a precious moment of your life." Rohan held the hourglass in his hands, feeling the weight of its significance. "Now," Mr. Gupta continued, "I want you to imagine that each grain of sand falling through this hourglass is a wasted opportunity. Every time you procrastinate or waste time, a grain slips away forever." Rohan, realizing the gravity of his actions, listened intently as Mr. Gupta continued. "Time is a precious gift, my boy. It waits for no one. Every second that passes is a second you cannot retrieve. If you keep squandering it, you will wake up one day filled with regret." Feeling a sense of urgency, Rohan asked, "But how can I change? How can I value time and make the most of it?" Mr. Gupta smiled warmly. "It begins with small steps," he said. "Start by setting goals and prioritize your tasks. Break them down into manageable parts and focus on completing them one by one. Learn to manage your time effectively. Remember, success comes to those who understand the value of time." Rohan took the old man's advice to heart and decided to change his ways. He began by organizing his daily routine, setting specific time frames for different activities. He eliminated distractions and focused solely on the task at hand. Gradually, Rohan noticed a positive shift in his life. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Rohan's newfound dedication and discipline paid off. He accomplished tasks that he had been putting off for years. He pursued his passions and discovered hidden talents. The villagers marveled at the remarkable transformation they witnessed in Rohan. Over time, Rohan realized that the true power of time lay not just in accomplishing tasks, but in nurturing relationships. He spent quality time with his family and friends, appreciating the moments they shared. He understood that time was a limited resource, and every second spent in the company of loved ones was a treasure. Years passed, and Rohan grew old. His village honored him for his remarkable achievements and his wise use of time. He shared his journey with the younger generation, urging them to cherish every passing moment and make the most of their lives. Rohan's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals to reevaluate their relationship with time. People began to understand that time was not just a mere commodity, but a precious gift that needed to be treasured. And so, the village thrived under the wisdom of Mr. Gupta and the transformed life of Rohan, reminding everyone of the importance of time and the power it held to shape their destinies.
Kimchi, nakuha ka doon, kimchi nak. Ayan, oh. Yan na, meron na, oh. Oh, yan na, oh.
Short video.
Ayan na, magic. Up, dito na.
Pinalik ka.
So, yan, oh. Oh, tingnan natin balik. Samahan niyo ako, tingnan natin. Karne, oh. Sarap to, matamis.
Dito tayo dito.
1, 2, 3, lipat sa kabila. Oop, dito na, magic. Sarap. Yan, yan, oh. Ito, masarap to, eh. Ang disadvantage nito ay nakakabusog. Ito na. Sarap. Kain na kayo, guys. Kain tayo.
Ayun guys, kain tayo.
Dindi, oh. Buwan natin. Dindi. Uy, dindi.
Pino.
Ayan, pipino.
Pino.
Yan, ito kimchi. Masarap na kimchi.
Kain tayo dyan.
Sobrang sarap. Dindi oh. Pagkis dindi.
Log.
Ano yun? Itlog? Ito itlog daw, itlog. Ito meron kang pipino, matamis no? Yes.
Asan yung chicken? Kimchi.
Yan, bibi ni Papa. Sabay extra.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Ano, naluluto. Pwede mo lakasan na kapinak. Pwede mo lakasan na. Apo. Sa worth 249 pesos. Unlimited na to. O 300 merong ano, unli yung cheese. Pero okay na to. Ay, sa unli cheese. Ang kaot na rin ko unli cheese.
Sarap. Biho na.
Mainit to, mainit.
Ano
Yep,
chicken?
yep.
Biho na itim ito.
Pwede na.
Okay na. Low pa.
Nakawala ng gana kasi pag halo-halo ka nakain. Ang diskarte doon, isa lang. Kaso ngayon, in-explain natin kaya hindi na sa isa. Sarap. Ito gusto ko. Gusto ko ito matamis. May iba pa doon? Parang may hotdog pa doon. Ha? Bakit? May siomay din sila.
Nakuha niya ito yung iba niya. Wala pa yung chicken namin?
Kami litos ha. Yun, may litos oh. Litos.
Yung chicken. And then yung garlic. Papasingin mo siyang garlic.
Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Shout out yan sa mga ano,
Yung chicken nila.
katropa natin dyan.
Chicken.
Tempornable.
Handling. Kain po tayo. Sir Admin. Kain tayo Sir Admin. Volleyball live. No
Pangat ni Sir Nilo. Oh.
Sagnin.
Sa team Good Vibes. Saka sa team ko dati. Sa team Domo Tribor. Wala na ako dun. Yan na nagkalit si Papa. Papa Extra. Pero siyempre, puso ni Papa Extra nandun pa rin.
Goodbye. Kain tayo.
Busy lang kasi si Papa Extra kaya wala siya doon natin. Tumutok na. Kinabahan na siya, no? Hindi mo na.
Ano mo lang ito?
Yan. May meron lang.
Natigas.
Dapat na putahe. Sige. Nagpakita lang ko. Mamaya, wala na yan. Tago na si Papa Extra.
Halo.
Haluin mo.
Ay, hirap pa yan.
Kunin mo na, pwede na yan. Kuha ka ng gusto mo yan. May... Kanina ba ito? Luto na yan. Saan ba gusto mo? Kahit saan? Tumigit na. Inaan mo, inaan mo pa eh. Inaan mo pa dali.
Ha?
Inaan mo.
Salamat sa lahat na nag-support sa aking premiere. Thank you very much.
Ano yan?
Walang lang yun, ikaw lang.
Oo. Meron ako sa bahay. Yung sa bahay. Yun yung, ito yung pumutok dati sa ano. Iwan ko kung may sandling na siguro yun. Kaya pumutok.
Ha?
Na, yung sa report dati yung pumutok. Yan yun eh. Pag may sandling na siguro yun.
Hindi, katulad yung sa ano, yung inayin natin sa manggahan. Yung sa ano, doon sa 13. Kami sila mamapit. Sa ilalim ng table yun, di ba?
Oo, pareho rin to. Pareho lang naman helium. Ano, butin yung gas. Kuha ka doon ako ng ano, ng luto na.
Ano ako?
Ha? Mamaya wala ka ng gana.
Taba.
Taba naman lahat yan ako.
Ilaw pa ko.
Kailangan ko lumayin.
Nakuha ko isang plato doon, lagayan ng luto. Hindi, ano yun? Ano eh? Chicken lang ako.
Okay na ang latay?
Kain tayo dyan, Samjo. Samjo po ba? Si Sinday, kung nandito ka, kain tayo dito si Sinday. Hindi ka na tuloy pumunta ng ano, ng Indang. Kain sana tayo.
May brad daw sila sa langkaan.
Kala ko pupunta eh.
May kupang bills ko sa'yo, diba?
Hmm.
Hindi. Ang kainin ko.
Nako.
Pansit.
Pansit ang karal.
Okay, guys. Kain tayo. Dito kami sa Samjo. Sa DB Mart. DB Mart. Dito na sa Pares. Kain po tayo. Salamat sa nag-sponsor ng aking damit. Ate Ruby, ayan o, suot ko na. Ganda. Bagay na bagay sa atin. Kain tayo. Mother's Day ngayon. Kaya tayo ay
Naka-jacket pa oh. Naka-jacket pa oh.
kain naman tayo.
Oh. Bayran mo jacket mo hoy. Naka-jacket pa, init-init.
Ma'am Sheila. Diyos ang Diyosan. Ma'am Sheila, oh, ang dami oh. Dami oh. Diba? Saka dito. Ganda dito. 199.
Parang maganda to. Ah, binigay pala nila to no.
199. Ano lang siya, anli lang ng pork. Ang kinuha namin ay 249. Plus 50 pesos ang naman. Ano ko yung pork ko?
Manatan mo.
Hindi pork at saka chicken. Walang beef. Walang beef at saka walang dessert. Tapos ang tubig lang ang drink. Tubig. Ano lang siya? Pork at saka chicken. Tapos may Chinese na ganito.
Mamaya lang. Mamaya busog ka na. Buti nga hindi na. Ha? Bawal mag?
Thank you for the grace of a new day, for the understanding, the wisdom to guide my way, for the parents I have that I truly love. Thank you for the affection, the peace from above. Thank you for this day, each step, each dawn, for the difficult moments that made me grow on. I say thank you in advance for the blessings I already have in my heart's expanse. Thank you for this day in my living.